Say hello, everybody, to Karma and Carnage. Great examples of motion control technology. Take a bow, guys. You fellas have any other moves you want the people to see? No, I thought they might. Now, I saw a lot of you back there taking pictures. When you get home, you put those pictures on your computer, do a little Photoshop. Oh, flash blood worm, what's all about? I thought it was a nice day out there. I think the hippie steps are going to go down for quite a while here. Now, some of you with the sharp eye may notice the rain being produced by the overhead sprinkler system. That's how they create rain on television and in the movies. But sometimes the rain doesn't show up too well on camera, depending on what the lighting effects are. And it hits a little milk in with the water, so it has to show up better on the screen. Because it doesn't usually go on this long, right? That's the trouble with the drainage out here. Oh yeah. We got a flood back there. Take cover back there. Look out, everybody. Take a look at the screen. You'll see this exact set in action in Big Fat Liar with Paul Giamatti and Frankie Muniz. Oh, thank goodness that's not a real truck, but that is real fire. Look out back there. Oh, I knew I should have worn my sports bra today. Hang on, everybody, hang on now. Oh. On the left-hand side of your left, I think the subway is still running. Oh, I bet you didn't even know LA had a subway. Oh, on the right-hand side, I think a water main is burst. Oh, get us out of here. Get us out of here, more. Oh, that breakfast burrito tasted just as good the second time. Right. Looks like George is over there giving Bruce his morning snack.
George!
Oh, that doesn't look right. That's too much blood. I don't know what happened there. I'm sorry I had to see that, folks. We're going to move forward here a little bit. Okay, all right, we're still hanging on here. Oh, come on now. Who's running this operation? BP? Of course, you know, the fire might scare him away. I don't think sharks like fire very much. I don't see him anywhere. Oh! Oh, there he is. There's Bruce. He's still hungry. He's still hungry. I don't know what he was saying there, but I think that might have been a curse. What does that sound? Do you hear that? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's those bugs. Oh, I hate bugs. Oh, I hope they don't get on the tram. Oh, it burns. It burns. Oh, so go get back there for a minute. What are you all looking at? Is there something on my face? Or is there something on my nose? Oh. Oh, I thought I looked.
Everything's quiet. Even the crickets. And you hear a distant roar. Footsteps. Far away at first, but then closer and closer. Oh no, you're terrified. Your knees are shaking. Look at that. Suddenly, it's here. Your heads. Uh-oh. Okay, run, run, run.
To find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
It's a woman! It looks like it's Helen! Return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout! Hey, Brandon, come help me.
Helen! Good to see you alive! Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on that.
me! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Signal the deacon!
Yes, my flock. Dry land. Now we're gonna pave it and drive it. We're gonna tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it. It's dry. How about hitting something? Whoa. Alan, I say you can leave before the party was over. You come back down. Well. And what I tell you about before the game? Come on. Whoa, cousin. Where you going? He's over here. You're kidding, right? I can see this. I have one eye. Hey, Tiny. If I say take his head off, take his head off. Take his head off.
Wait for me.
That's great. We got guns, he's got water, and he's kicking our butts. Come on! Really? Oh, okay. Time to prove it. Listen, we need the girl. That's good shooting. Come on, boy, make your move. Yeah. Give me another weapon. All right. You're fired. You're not ruining my plans for dry land, freak. That's right, Muto. You're a freak. Give me a weapon. Chris, give me a weapon. Hey! Somebody give me a weapon!
Hey, boss, how about this?
Thank you. Time for a showdown. Okay. What do you say, pretty boy, you and me? Come on, mono y muto. That's you and me. And it's time to find out who's the real chicken of the sea. Something on your back. Bye-bye. Whoa. Why is she still alive? Boys, I want him dead. Go up top, signal my skyboat. You tell them to blow this one. Hey, sorry I missed. Stop! Whoops. All right. That's enough fun again. I want something with a little more kick. Asking you shall receive. Mariner, say hello to my little friend. I call him Boomer! You're kidding me. Well, certainly seems to go boom. And look at that! Surf's up, fish boy. Now do me a favor, would you? Stand in one spot. That's amazing. How? Twice? Come on. Whoa. What was that? What was that? That's great. How do you like that? All my men are dead.
Good.
I'm tired of you. You know, how much you climb that ladder? Yeah, that one right there. You know what? I got a brand new vision. Helen, this one's about a pilgrimage for two to dry land as husband and wife. And you know what? I think I'm gonna want kids. Lots of them. I mean, think about it. You, me, I don't know, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Why don't you come here and give me a big... What? You're kidding me! Okay. Game's on! Yeah? Hold on, I don't think so. Maybe you'd like... seconds.
No!
Who's gonna stop me now? You? Not a chance! You haven't got a leg to stand on!
No!
Yes! I'm thinking of waterworld celebrate the birth of a new nation! Dryland! It's my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Yeah? What? Wait a minute. No! Wait! No! No! Wait! Wait! Somebody! Get it off me! Where are you gonna get me?
I knew I should have stayed on dry land. The fuel tank's gonna blow. We're not gonna make it.
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas